how you doing? This is Udo from Geo-Negative. So since I'm kind of on a train by myself, I decided to do a little show on here, a little class, because I saw my old video about how the hexagram, the hexagonal, how that symmetry is, I was explaining it, but I didn't maybe use all the terms. So what I got here is two sets of stones. Over here I have basically white sapphires. These are from the moon, gifted to me, you see. Very nice. This one as well. This one, I believe it's from Venus. It could be Neptune. Alright, so here we have monument stones. These are Earth. These are correlates, but they have beautiful resplendency. You see that? See that? Maybe you can see some of that gloss, but amazing. This one's even translucent. Okay, so here we're gonna set them up. Basically, let's see if we can do it like that. Oh man, this one rolls. Okay, so we gotta do it like that, and then like that. So, one over here, one over here, one over here. Okay. So this is like the star, the hexagon, right? Well, this one's moving around too much, but as you see, the hexagon. So if you look at the stones, right, we have the Geo-Negative symmetry. So this one is what's coming down, which I said is light. So light comes down from the top, which is the sources, and this is Earth. So basically, I call these monument stones. I don't know what else to call them right now. But anyway, so we have light, let's say. Usually it's this way. So we have light double negative, or light in the negative. See, light also is in the negative, right? That's the fundamental nature of it. It's giving. It also stops. So if you want to make a shade, it stops. It's not like air, where air pushes through. So here's light. Here's light in the negative. Here's ether. Okay? Here is, whoa. Hold on. Gotta shift into gear. Okay, so here, that's ether. Here's matter, water, no, sorry, what we said, air, right? So this is light. So this is supposed to be air, but then we're going to say this is light. So, and this right here is, so we're going to switch these two. So light in the negative comes into this world. Okay? The GNA comes from the realm of light. First it was here, now it comes down here. So what do we get? Air. So we got water, matter, water, air. So light hits water. Right? Light hits water. And it makes air. Air goes up. Air gives us life. Right? So that's what is different in this world. Things are flipped around. That's why God said that this world is like a tree that is inverted or shadowed on a water. So as you see, right, like on a water top. So you have ether, light first, and here's light in the negative. Light in the negative transfers to air. Air is the quality here that gives us life. That originates from light. Light is the substrate, the origin of life. Okay? Water and matter are just parts of it, mere parts of it. But the real things that exist is light. Everything returns to light as well. or returns to energy, as they say, right? As all matter becomes cease, or it becomes or evaporates into air. As water we see goes into air, right? Okay, so, or dust. So I hope you learned something there. So using the hexagram or the Star of David, right? You're able to see that goes down the triangle goes up, and we have natural. See, even air of this world, oxygen is of this world. It's like a matter. You understand? Like they know air is matter. That's why they could turn air into